What's good, Rich Crew? Welcome back to Ritual. So today we have the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG in the black, white, and game royal colorway. This is for all my sneaker enthusiasts who like looking at the box. But here's the box that come in. You got your Nike box here. It's black and red, which is kind of weird for the shoe. It's actually a royal blue. Anyway, you got your standard tissue paper here. That's about it as far as in the box. You have, I know there's normally a number in here somewhere. It's right here. They stamped it. It's very faint though. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's right here. Very faint. But yeah. That's the box. So enough of that. That's not what you guys came for. You guys actually came for these right here. Bam. Bam. So that's what you guys came for. These are the Game Royales. Jordan 1 High OGs. So yeah, my wife actually got these on the Nike sneakers app. So they came in a size 10. I was trying to go for them, but I didn't get them. But she got them for me. So she got it for the team. So yeah. So we have the Air Jordan 1 here. Nike Air on the tongue. It's like a mesh material on the tongue. You got your leather around the toe box. Pretty good grade of leather here. Pretty good quality. Very, very nice quality. Some tumble leather on the toe here. Feels real good. Very smooth. You got tumble leather here. Of course, you can see the little grooves. On your white color blocking here, you got your black leather on the Nike Swoosh. You got your Air Jordan wing logo right here. As you can see, pretty dope. Black leather on the back. And then you got your rubber outsole in blue. These things have great traction. As you know, probably some of the best traction on any sneaker, to be honest. And in the inside, the shoe came with the cardboard tree horn, of course. And then inside the shoe, you have, you guys can see that, but you have your sticker right there. You have your Nike Air logo. And that's pretty much it for the shoe. I mean, we've all seen Jordan 1s, so nothing new here. Just a different colorway. So pretty cool pickup. I'm going to do an on foot of these, but I'm not going to lace them up because I don't know. I may just put these DS them, just put them up in storage or whatnot. I haven't made up my mind if I'm going to keep them or not. Right now, I look like I'm going to keep them. But the way Jordan 1 prices go up over the course of time, I think I may just put these on the back burner and let them sit for maybe a few months and see what that stock price of these look like. You know what I'm saying? But definitely a nice shoe. Definitely a nice shoe. I'm not real big on blue, but the blue on here, this royal color, looks very, very nice. Got some other sneaker reviews coming up for you guys. You can also go back and look at some previous videos. I just did a review on these. These were the mids, so you can kind of see, I guess, a little bit of the difference between the two shoes as far as the height. There you go. But yeah, these are the Chicago's. So go back and check out that actual video of the Chicago Jordan 1 mids, black toe, of course. Look at the toe box. Leather quality is why I have them here. Oh, one other thing too. These shoes also came with an extra shoelace, blue, which is pretty dope. But yeah, this the Jordan 1 OG Grand the Royal The Jordan 1 OG.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Jordan 1 Game Royal Blue shoe right here. The leather is better quality. It's definitely better quality. I don't know if you guys can see that, but a little better quality. Let's check the toe box. Let's feel the toe box. Yeah, definitely better. Definitely a higher grade of leather. But these aren't bad though, especially for a Jordan 1. And these were only 115. This one was 170 plus tax. So yeah, it should have better quality. But yeah, both of them are beautiful shoes. You know, if you want to check them out. Thumbnail. Definitely both of these are some nice shoes. But I actually prefer these more. Just saying. Maybe it's because of the Chicago colorway. But yeah, these are definitely some nice shoes. I'm going to do an on foot for you guys. And so stay tuned for that. But before I do, please do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button. Turn that notification bell so you'll be in the loop when I post new videos like this. On my channel, I do car content with my BMW M2. I also do sneaker reviews with shoes like these. And I do money tips to give you guys some financial advice on things that can help you, you know, in the long run. Investments, savings, things of that nature. So if you're into those type of things, this is definitely the channel for you. So please hit that subscribe button. Please get this video right here to like 50 likes. So hit that like button. And once again, thank you for tuning in to Rituals. Now let's get to the on foot. Feet, they feel pretty comfortable. Not a bad shoe. I actually have a little bit, feel like they have a little bit better padding than the Jordan 1 Mid Chicago Black Toes. But and on feet they actually look better on feet than they do just holding hands. So I don't know. I think I may keep these. I don't know. You guys let me know in the comment section below. Should I hang on to these for resale value in the future? Should I keep these to wear in the future? What you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Also give this video a thumbs up. Let's get this video to 50 likes or more. And also hit that subscribe button, turn notification bell, and get your boy to 1,000 subscribers. Right now we're approaching 200 subscribers. We're trying to get this channel to over 1,000. Let's get it. Let's make it happen. So hit that subscribe button if you're watching this video. Share the video with a friend. Like and comment on the video. Get your boy to 1,000 subscribers and get this video to 50 likes. How about that? With that being said, you guys have an awesome day. Thank you for tuning in to Rituals. Once again, if you like car content, if you like sneaker reviews, and you like money tips, this is the channel for you. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you, and thank you. We out. Peace.